Good morning to everyone. Welcome back to online classes. This is class 7th GK, lesson number 45. Okay, so dear student, in the previous video, we had already completed our lesson number from 33 to 44, isn't it? So 33 to 44, the lessons will going to come in your post midterm. I had given you the syllabus for post midterm in the previous video, as well as your class teacher also had sent it you through the WhatsApp number, isn't it? Now after post midterm you are going to have the midterm exam, so get ready for that also. So here we are going to deal with the lesson number 45. So what is the name of the lesson? That is spirit of wisdom. Okay, what is said that here, a proverb is a wise saying. It has been coined based on human experience and wisdom. Complete the proverb. Spirit of wisdom. The name of the lesson is spirit of wisdom. Here some of the proverbs are incompleted. That proverbs we have to complete it. Clear the question? Okay. Now let's start the answer. So first question is, complete the proverb in that a friend indeed is a friend indeed. Clear? What is the first proverb is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Here the difference is only for the need and did. This is a proverb only. Next, second one, too many cooks spoils the broth. THEBROTH, broth. Third one, what is the third answer for that? One man's meat is another man's poisonous. Clear? What is the third one? One man's meat is another man's poison. Clear? The word poison, POISON. This is the spelling. Fourth one, the pot calling the kettle black. What is the answer for that? The pot calling the kettle black. Clear? Then the fifth one, early to bed and early to raise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Here wise spelling is not clearly, it is visible on the screen. So write a proverb completely that a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Wise is written over here. Clear? Then sixth one, many hands makes work light. When its meaning is that when many people is going to work together, the work become easier. That is work light. Make high while the sun shine. It means that when always a sunshine will be there, we have to do the hey to it. Hey to means प्रणाम करना. जब भी सन हमको दिखता है या सूर्योदय होता है तब हमको प्रणाम करना चाहिए. द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट proverb is this. Every cloud has a silver ling. LING. Linging. Okay, silver linking. Every cloud has a silver linking. Then Rome was not built in a day. It's a very famous proverb that Rome was not built a day. Its meaning is that in order to do something we need lots of patience, though it takes lots of time. Then 10th one, laughter is the best medicine. This is also a very common proverb which we people very well known that laughter is the best medicines. Clear? So many of the proverb you people know as well as you people are using in your day-to-day life, isn't it? Some of one or two proverbs are new. So when you are going to use this proverb in your day-to-day life, it will be easier for you to learn. Okay, student? Next, some of the new kinds of words is given here from 1 to 10. So suppose for example we are having the word fourth, fantastic plus fabulous. So joining these two words together, the new word come out, that word is fantabulous. Okay, like this, Hindi plus English, Hinglish. Okay, chill plus relax, it is chillax. Okay, so combining two words we will get a different new words as taught over here. So here 10 new different words is being given over here. Okay, just learn those new words. It will be helpful for you to improve your vocabulary. Then, when a famous person says something and says it well, we remember and quote her words. Here are some famous quotations. Use the clue box and find out the famous people and their saying. Quotations, that means some kind of word, some kind of statement is being said by the famous people, and that words is being become a famous. Like Subhash Chandra Bose says that तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. This is a quote, isn't it? It's a particular sentence which is very famous, and it is said by Subhash Chandra Bose, isn't it? So that's why we are having some kind of statement or a quotes over here whose names the person who had said this, that names we have to say over here. Clear? You become what you think you are. Who said this? That is Lord Buddha. What he said, that you becomes what you think you are. That is said by Lord Buddha. Second, awake, arise, stop, not still till your goal is reached. Awake, arise, stop not till your goal is reached. It is said by Swami Vivekananda. Clear? Third, an eye for an eye makes the whole world blind. It is said by Gandhiji, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Common sense is the genius of humanity. That is said by Goethe, Goethe. Then, one can never consent to creep when one feels an impulse to soar. That is said by Helen Keller. Okay. Sixth, the shortest way to glory is to be guided by conscience. That is said by Henry Home. Seventh, have patience with all things, but of all with yourself. It is said by Saint Francis de Sales. Who the person is? This particular sentence is said by Saint Francis de Sales. It is said by Saint Francis de Sales. Then the shortest way to glory is to be guided by conscience is said by Henry Home. Clear? Now, next, eighth one. The best method of overcoming obstacles is the team method is said by Colin L. Powell. Clear? It is said by Colin L. Powell. Powell. Then, next question. After 9. Next question is our question number. Which question number? 9. It takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. Who said this? It is said by Warren Buffett. It's a very good also to be known. Of course, we are taking very hard work many years to make our reputations, isn't it? But only few minutes it's take only few minutes to spoil the reputation. That's why it is said by Warren Buffett that it takes 20 years to build a reputation and 5 minutes to ruin it. Ruin it means destroy it. Okay, so it is said by Warren Buffett. After climbing a great hill, one finds that there are many more hills to climb. It is said by Nelson Mandela. What is the meaning of this statement? Do you know? After climbing a great hill, one finds that there are many more hills to climb. You have many times seen this as an example of your life also, that when we get a small success, after that when we are reaching at the top level, we can see that many obstacles are there which is more difficult to climb it. That's why it is said by Nelson Mandela that after climbing a great hill, one finds that there are many more hills to climb. That is said by Nelson Mandela. Then next, whoever listened to God, to him they particularly listen to Homer. This is said by the Homer, Homer. Okay. Then next one, 12. Well-timed silence has more eloquent than speech. It is said by Martin F. Tupper, Tupper. Clear? So here are the clue box is being given. You can correct your spellings from here. Clear? You can use this clue box for writing the answers. Next lesson is logos. So here are the some pictures is being given in this lesson. Okay, the name of the lesson number 47, the name of the lesson is logos. Okay, so what is the question is said that logos are fixed symbol and used by various organizations to represent them. Look at these symbols and find out the organizations they belongs to. Of course, it is very important for the companies, for the institute or anything to have their own logo, because that logo shows that logo represent the name of the company. By seeing the logo we can understand that which company or which institute it belongs to, isn't it? So first logo is this one. The name of the organization is Lufthansa Airway. Okay, what is that name is Lufthansa Airway. Second one is, it's a written over there, the two elephant is there, then lotus is there, a book is there, in that book it is written the Hindu, isn't it? So it is the name of the logo belongs to the Hindu newspaper. Okay. Second, everyone we are very familiar with this symbol. Yes, it is a State Bank of India. Then next one is this Indian Railway. This is also very familiar by you people, that is Indian Railway. Second, fifth one is also very familiar, that is Air India. Third one also you people are very familiar, that is the logo of Doordarshan, isn't it? So you people are very familiar with this, some of the logos, because it belongs to our own country India, that's why. Clear? Next, seventh. What is the seventh here? So in the seventh part it is given that the logo is of Punjab National Bank. Okay. Then second logo is, of course, the boys are very interested in the car and all, so they people are already knowing by seeing this logo it belongs to which manufactured car company, isn't it? Some of the students are very well known to the electricals and electrical goods. They know this symbols belongs to this company, isn't it? In the same way, Indian Air Force have this symbols. Then this four circles belong to the Audi AG, that is a company of a automobiles company. It's an Audi AG, German automobiles manufacturer. Then next one is from the childhood only, you people are very well known that it's a logo of Dabur Ayurvedic medicine processor. Okay, so here the lesson number, can see the spellings from the clue box. Each and every spellings is given in the clue box. Can go through the spellings through this clue box. Okay. Then next lesson is our lesson number 48, abbreviations. Abbreviations we had already seen many times in our this GK book. Okay, 2-3 lessons we had already completed for these abbreviations. Now this is a new abbreviations which had been given. So first one is ATM. ATM, we are generally using the short form of ATM, but the complete or the abbreviations or full form of is that automated teller machine. Second, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. MEA, Ministry of External Affairs. BSc, that is Bachelor of Science. CA, Chartered Accountant. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. CWG, that is Commonwealth Games. CWG is Commonwealth Games. Then 8th one, FIR is First Information Report. What is FIR is First Information Report. Then GO is Government Order. GMT is Green, which mean time. Okay. HMT is Hindustan Machine Tools. Okay, then next one is IAS is Indian Administrative Service. What is Indian Administrative Service? Then ICC is International Cricket Council. 15th INA is Indian National Army. IPS is Indian Police Service. Then ISI is Indian Standard Institute. LT Col is Lieutenant Colonel. Then MEMO is Memorandum. NRI is Non-Resident Indian. Non-Resident Indian. So these are the full form of the shorts, that is called an abbreviations. You people very well know, you should know this, okay, because in day to day life we are going to use the short form of that. Sometime in the competitive exams this short forms abbreviation is being asked, okay, so keep it in mind, all those abbreviations. Now next lesson is lesson number 49. You are named. That means name should be given to particular. Every person has some unique qualities and abilities. We are described by others according to our characters. Find out who you are if you have these qualities. Okay. So first one, if you are good to mankind, you are a philanthropist. What is, if you are good to mankind, you are philanthropist. Second, if you are an eloquent public speaker, then you are an author. If you do a job without salary, it is an honorary. HONORARY, job. If you ride on horseback for sports, you are a jockey. If you sing in a church choir, you are a chorister. If you are a man and your manners are more like a woman than a man, then you are effeminate. It is called as effeminate. EFFEMINATE, effeminate. If you look at the bright side of things, you are an optimist. OPTIMIST, optimist. If you look at the dark side of things, then you are a pessimist. PESSIMIST, pessimist. If you know many languages, you are a linguistic. LINGUIST. Okay. Then next, what is the next 10th one? If you are a person with all knowledge, you are an omniscient. If you cannot read or write, you are illiterate. If you are talented in writing songs, you are a lyricist. If you do not believe in God, you are an atheist. If you are disloyal, you are traitor. If you die for your country, you are the martyr. MARTYR. Clear? So these are the lesson number 49. You are named. That means we are going to give some particular name to them. Okay. So last lesson is lesson number 50. Pairs of fame. This famous personality are grouped in pair because they have something in common. That means the two pictures are joined together. Okay. So in that there are something, some kind of abilities or something, some nature, some thinkings are being same. So we have to recognize who are they or what are they. Okay. So first one is Ramanan Maharishi and the picture of Sri Ramakrishna is given. So they are saints. SAINTS. Okay. Then next one, JRD Tata and GD Birla. It is given, they are the interest list. Then Andal and Mirabai are devotional poets. Then next one are the cartoonists. Next one is, fifth one is IT company owner. These are the pictures of IT company owners. Then these are the what you can very well known Okay, so here the lesson number 50 is also completed. Try to write the answers in your book, and all the best for your exams. Thank you everyone.